If you haven't already done so, please go to your App Store and download what is called Citrix Receiver. This is a small piece of software that will allow you to connect to our Citrix servers and Zen desktop servers, which I'll explain later. So once it's downloaded, you simply click on Receiver. This is the blank page you'll see. And to get started, you want to click over here to get started. You want to type in our address, which is https://citrix agent unch.unc.edu. And when you're done, click on next. If you're attached to our network, it'll automatically find it. If you're at home, this will work as well. Any network will work except for the UNCH guest network, if I typed in the name correctly. Oops. Try that again. At this point, it's going to ask you what your username is, password, domain. Domain, it's important. It is UNCH. And again, you go ahead and put your username and password. I'm going to put a fake user. Once the correct username and password is put in, it'll give you a list of your applications. Now, this particular fake user I have only has one application. This could be CPA, CPM, WebSys, whatever's published in Citrix. This happens to be a newer product that we are looking forward to rolling out very soon, and we'd love to demo it. It's called a virtual desktop, and it works on what's called Zen desktop. So we're going to go ahead and launch this application. Now, before I do that, a couple little tricks to this thing. If you had multiple applications here on the Citrix Receiver, if you click on this little plus button, it'll pop it in your home. So if you were to start from the home again and click on Citrix, and in your home it'll put your favorite applications. So if this is one of your favorite applications that you listed, it's a lot easier to manipulate than a bulk of applications that you may or may not use. So we're going to go ahead and launch this application. And what's going to happen is it's going to launch a virtual desktop. It's a Windows 7 virtual desktop. And it'll actually tailor all the settings that I have, the picture I want, mouse settings, my documents will be there, all the drives here as I have access to, my mail, it has single sign-on, a host of applications that are important to me. Your desktop may look different for you. This is a dynamically assembled desktop. And once it connects, you can see I've created a picture. I have single sign-on. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this for right now. And as you can see, trying to move the mouse can be difficult with little chubby fingers that I got. And you may have the same problem. If you want, you can drop down this little box here and click on Trackpad. Trackpad, you'll see this black mouse here will follow me wherever I go. So if I want to tap on this user data, I would just bring my finger over here, and then once I want to open it, I just click on that folder. And it'll open up that folder. Again, I'll bring this mouse over here, and you can see where it is. Bam. Yeah. I'm a little rusty with my finger. And that's how Trackpad works. To get back to your desktop while leaving this open, you can click on keyboard, arrow keys. You can do your Bluetooth, whatever you want with this desktop. However, if you want to go home, you can go home and you're back right where you started. Now, the good thing about this is you can continue to use your iPad however you wish. If you ever want to go back to that desktop you had open, you simply click on it and it will bring that desktop forward to you. So it's a semi-true multitask, which in the past iPad has not been able to do. But it does keep your desktop open and the applications you have. And that is roughly it on how to use a Citrix desktop or Citrix applications on an iPad. Thank you for watching.